iDesign Spec converts hardware register specifications into many different outputs, such as RTL, UVM, and XML. These files can be simulated in a UVM environment using any vendor simulation tool. A coverage database is generated, which is used to ensure verification completeness. In this video, we show how iDesign Spec can be used to easily specify hardware registers and use UVM to quickly verify them. Creating a register map in iDesign Spec is straightforward, intuitive, and error-free. iDesign Spec gives the user the control to customize the UVM output. Here, we are enabling RegBits coverage for this register. Other types of coverage can also be enabled. And we're also specifying the HDL path for backdoor register access. We can even control which tests will run on the registers. The Check and Generate buttons ensure correctness of the spec and generate the desired outputs. The generated UVM model reflects the specification. Appropriate HDL path, coverage, and test code is generated for the registers. Even system Verilog constraints can be specified for the UVM model with ease. Using the UVM kit and the test bench environment supplied by Agnesys, simply run make to run the verification tests. A coverage database is generated for all tests, which are then merged together to create the final reports. We can even take these reports into a vendor-neutral verification management system for complete analysis. Here, we create a register verification plan using the XML generated from iDesign Spec. Please note that coverage is low. Now, let's go back to iDesign Spec and make sure that the coverage and tests are correctly specified. We enable reg tests on the Reg 5. We also change the coverage property on register Reg 6 to enable field vals coverage in addition to the RegBits coverage. Now, we regenerate the UVM register model. We rerun the simulation and regenerate the coverage reports from the coverage database. We now annotate the new coverage reports onto the register verification plan. Notice the considerable increase in the coverage based on a small change in iDesign Spec. We can further go into the vendor-specific reports for detailed coverage metrics. We can even compare the current coverage reports with those from the past to see the progress made and analyze the trends in verification. We have shown how easy it is to use iDesign Spec to specify the register map, generate various outputs, and verify the registers.